The easiest Led Zeppelin riff to play, especially when you just reduce it to 3 notes, would be... That is just 5th fret, 3rd fret and 0. And playing it properly, it just adds in the octave, which I would play there. In the park just the other day, baby. Why do you think I saw? Other good Led Zeppelin riffs definitely start off with Misty Mountain Hop. And that gets you chugging power chords. And once you're chugging power chords, before you try A Whole Lot of Love, try Communication Breakdown. That's how to play it like a one finger power chords version. The proper way is with E power chords, D5 and A5. You could even do. And you need to slow it down. And then the only other two other chords in it, like an A7. Communication breakdown. It's always the same. B7. Nervous breakdown. And if you gain anywhere near that, then you can try, in my opinion, and then, like someone else has had a go at, you should probably go for the weird bit being in the next level bit of this is if you can do that, rock and roll. Which the trick with rock and roll is your right hand's always just doing this. Like string 5, 5 and 4, as if you're doing the main 12-bar blues thing. You don't go... You don't have to play the individual notes, and you don't even have to change anything when you go high. You're still just... Your right hand's still basically playing that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on strings 5 and 4. And of course those are 2 separate parts, so you could just... could just be playing that. Can't beat it. One of the hardest riffs I remember learning, but once you get the knack for it, it's easy, is... The thing that nobody tells you about Immigrant song is it's all about the angle of the pick. You can't pick string 6 and then string 4 quickly, not play string 5 without changing the angle of your pick. So you go from this angle, like this for string 6, and then for string 4 you just do a flick down and you go from this angle, and then you miss string 5. That's how to do it quick. It does take practice. But it's well worth it because you get to learn that awesome riff. Other than that, it's just simple power chords. Very similar to as well. White Snakes in the Still of the Night. Play that riff, and then you just play Immigrant Song. And there we are. If you want more actual songs, check out my free 10-day course here on YouTube for electric guitar. And if you want more help beyond that, you'll find it at andyguitar.co.uk in the Andy Guitar Electric course, which I'll leave on screen and in the description as well. But if you haven't tried already, check out that 10-day program. It is the best place to get lots of easy songs and riffs under your fingers. And I'll see you over there. Let me know how you get on in the comments below.